Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So everyone, it has happened so much late and so many days that I didn't post any vlogs in my channel, and I sincerely apologize to my subscribers for that. Because of my office works and schedules whole day, I became very busy. That is the reason I didn't get the time to post vlogs, but I love doing YouTube vlogs. So today is weekend, Saturday, Sunday is weekend. So I thought today to share the day with all of you. Like, I'm going for a little bit outing, so I'm going to share this vlog with all of you. Very near place only. I'm just going for a good lunch, for some good outing, and that's it, nothing else. So today's day I want to share with all of you. So please do watch the vlog until the end, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's start the vlog. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, it has been afternoon, almost 3:30, and now I'm going outside for having lunch. And I know it's happened late, but nothing to do because I woke up late since it is weekend. Only we get 2 days of resting. So anyhow, today I'm going just for a simple outing for lunch, and might be little bit of shopping if it is possible. So if the time allows. So yeah, nothing else. Please be with me and watch today's vlog, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, it is so much heat in Hyderabad. What do you feel about Hyderabad temperature? Please comment me, because it is really so much heat in Hyderabad. So it's feeling like there is no difference between Chennai and Hyderabad, because last 5 years I've stayed in Chennai, and Hyderabad has also given me the same heat what Chennai has given. So yeah, that's what I feel. And yeah, please watch this vlog, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, because each and every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, today I came to Next Galleria Mall. So Next Galleria Mall is at Panchaguda, Hyderabad. So I thought today to come here and to spend my day, have my lunch, and I hope today's outing would be a good one. So today's vlog I'm sharing with all of you. So please watch this vlog until the end, and I'll give you the complete tour of Next Galleria Mall. Like what are the brands available here, what dresses you can buy, everything I will say. So please watch this vlog until end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching the vlog. So everyone, I came to Next Galleria Mall, and now I'm moving to the entrance of this mall. So yeah, let's see how the mall is, and you will get the full complete tour of the mall in today's vlog. So keep continuing watching. Now I'm going for eating probably because I'm getting hungry. I've not taken my lunch. So happy weekend to all of you. I hope everyone is enjoying your weekend. And so yeah, I came to the mall. Just I'll explore this mall because since I'm new to the Hyderabad, so the malls I'm exploring. Whatever the malls are there, and some 2-3 places I went. So yeah, that's it, nothing more. So now I'm going to go for the food court and I'll show to you in next Galleria Mall what are the food brands available that you can eat, come and eat here if you want. So keep continuing watching this vlog, and as much as possible from my end I'll show you all the brands that are possible in this brand. So yeah, keep continuing watching. So everyone, the next Galleria Mall is quite big only, and there are a lot of brands available, like clothing brands lot are available. Food, according to me, let me check. I am just exploring 1111 floor and I am going because might be after eating the energy and strength will not be there to explore the complete mall by walking. So yeah, that's what I am doing. But somehow this mall is not as much as I like the Sharat City Mall. I can say the favorite mall in Hyderabad for me, which I like the most, is Sharat City Mall, and might be Navgate Mall the second option. But Sharat City Mall, the food court is very beautiful. I mean, it's little bit unique as I felt from my end, because last 5 years I stayed in Chennai, so I roamed the complete Chennai malls also. So yeah, that's it. This is the small thing that I want to share with all of you. So let's go to the food court and explore the food brands. So keep continuing watching.
So then, why?
So everyone, I have shown all the food courts that are available in the next Galleria Mall. So if you come here, you can also try the food. To be very honest, here if you come and want to have heavy lunch, then you can have from Melting Pot food stall, because from there too only I have taken the food, because I have not taken my lunch. So snacks will not be a good option for me. So I have taken from Melting Pot my lunch. So let's try the food how it is. So I ordered barbecue chicken wings along with chicken dum biryani. So let's try the food and I'll definitely give you the review of the food as well. So please keep continuing watching the vlog. So everyone, the food taste of the next Galleria Mall was really good. The biryani also was good. You can try biryani here. I have taken chicken dum biryani and barbecue. One barbecue fried wings I have taken as my starter. So the starter taste was not up to my expectations, is what I felt as per my taste buds. But dum biryani was awesome, to be honest. So after taking that, then I was feeling so much thirsty and heavy. So I thought, ki why not to try something from the Thick Shake factory. So I came to the Thick Shake factory and here too I ordered this blue angel slush. That is the blue mojito I have ordered. So yeah, let's try how it is. And the food review which I want to give honestly was good. The biryani taste was good only here, guys. So yeah, if you also want to come to this next Galleria Mall and try the food items, then definitely you can. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog, and still I will roam the mall. I'll definitely show to you the mall. So yeah, guys, keep continuing watching. Everyone, the blue mojito taste is good only. Generally in some food stalls, mojito taste will not be good. So here they have taken for the blue mojito price is 147, and for the food that I have taken from Melting Pot, there also the price was affordable. Like the dum biryani which I have taken was full dum biryani for 3 persons, and it was for the price of around 350 around, yes, 350 or 379, I forgot it. And another one is what I have taken is barbecue chicken platter, which comes around again around 350 or 60 rupees something. So total bill for melting pot was around 800. If you take a food starter along with the main course, like it will be around 800. Just the normal calculations, approximate I'm saying, what will be the budget of the food here. And it's affordable, it is not overpriced here, it's affordable. So if you come here and you want to have a heavy lunch, then you can try from melting pot. And if you want to try coolings or shakes and mojitos, then you can come to Thick Shake Factory. Packaging is also good and the drink is also good. So yeah, keep continuing watching. Everyone, after taking the food, actually some announcements are going, guys, so please excuse me for the sound if you are hearing me. So now I am going to just explore sometime and I am going to go home because I am thinking that week off is just not to explore, to take rest also even. So yeah, that's it. I have taken my lunch already and now I will explore the mall sometime more and show you like what are the pending things which I have not covered in the video until yet. So keep continuing watching and once again a happy weekend to all of you. Hope your weekend goes good, enjoyable. So yeah, that's it. Please keep continuing watching the vlog and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, in the next Galleria Mall, there is a store called the Super 99 to 99 Bazaar, flea market and book fair. So here the prices are really affordable. If you think that you want to buy, kurtis, females kurtis and some other items, so here the prices are affordable. So you can come here and you can check once. Collections of the dresses are good. In the next Galleria Mall, the store is that is Super 99 to 29 Bazaar, flea market and book fair. So yeah, so this is the stall backside, you can see. So I'm going to go now again and I want to go to show you the collection. So keep continuing watching.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Calico.
So everyone, I tried this chicken curry kurti which I wore above my shirt only because there are no trial rooms available here. So this cost me around 400 rupees. So it is quite affordable here. They will give the inner also inside to it with the chicken curry kurti, that is free. And the above one, the price that they are taking is 400. If you want suit, and again she said to me this kind of 3 pieces if you take means That comes around 1000, yeah, 1000 around it comes if you take 3 pieces of this kurtis. So your collections are good, guys. You can come and you can check this store, sir. If you are a fan of chicken curry kurti, I like chicken curry kurti so much. So white color was not there with me, so I tried this one. It's a M size. So comment me how I am looking in this. So everyone, that the chicken curry kurti that I have purchased, which I have shown to all of you that I wore. So 400 rupees was the price inner along with the kurti. Any kurti you can take chicken curry kurti 400. So I have bargained with her and finally I have taken it in 300 rupees. So this is the white color chicken curry kurti, and along with that here are a lot of products, even online products also they are giving some sales like scalp massager and all. And kurtis, girls females kurtis collections lot is there, and here book stalls is also is there. You can see this is the big book stall. So if you are a book reader, then definitely you can visit here. This mall also have good collections of books. So yeah, it's good. You can come and visit here if you want. So now I'm going to explore that what book collections are there. So yeah, let's see. So everyone, here a lot of interesting book collections are there. So if you are a book reader means, definitely you can visit this store in Next Galleria Mall. So everyone, here little bit dark is there, so might be the video is coming little bit dark, so please excuse me for that. So here I want to give you one information that the books cost here, each book is rupees 200. So here books prices affordable. And another one is if you want crime thriller mystery books means it is rupees 50 each. And here all the books that they have given here is all of price 200, no matter whichever book you purchase. So this is a very affordable price, I think. So lot of collections of books are there, lot as per I have seen here. So you can come and give it a try if you are a book reader. So this stall is at Next Galleria Mall, everyone. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog, and please do comment me how this today's vlog. So everyone, these are the Telugu sections books. So here you will get Telugu sections books also. So each book here is of price 200. So lot of collections of books are here in this stall in Next Galleria Mall. So if you are a book reader and book reader lover, so definitely you can visit this stall here. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching the vlog. So everyone, after exploring the book stall and the dresses stall, I came here to this mobile stall for doing the temple class. because my phone cover has been kept like this only for so many days, and I didn't get the time to even do it properly. So now I thought that I can do the temper glass from here. So here too they take 150 rupees for the temper glass for the protection of the mobile. So yeah, I just want to give all the informations in this mall. So really this Super 99 to 999 Bazaar, Flea Market and Book Fair. I don't know this stall up to how many days is open, but really girls, if you want, if you are a chicken curry kurti lover, then definitely you can visit here. And 400 rupees is quite affordable for chicken curry kurtis, and quality is also quite good only as far as I have checked. I have taken one white chicken curry kurti that I have shown to all of you, and even the books collection, some Amazon products there. So everyone, my mall exploring is completed. Sorry, mall exploring is completed. So that's it. It's already 8, and from here to there is so much of traffic to go to Boduppal. So I am now going from the mall, the next Galleria Mall. I hope the tour video that I have given to all of you, hope you will like it. So if you want to visit next Galleria Mall at Hyderabad, then you can definitely come and visit here. Even you can have your food also here, because the food is also good only as far as I have tried. And yeah, that's it. There are a lot of cloth brands here available. So I have explored this mall, and yeah, that's it. Now I am going from the mall and I'll go to home. So please do watch this vlog, everyone, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So keep continuing watching the vlog. So everyone, it has been late already, and I came back to home and already I have freshed up. And yeah, today I have enjoyed the weekend, had some good lunch and some bit outing and relaxation. So yeah, that's all for today's vlog. I hope this little bit sharing of outing vlog you would enjoy definitely. So please give your love to the vlog, because each and every vlog is done with lot of dedication and hard work. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do comment me if you like today's vlog. And until the next vlog come to this channel, till then, stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care.